On December 4, 2024, Clash report revealed that Syrian rebels had achieved a significant milestone by capturing an intact Russian 48Y6 K1 Podlet K1 low-altitude surveillance radar system. This system, valued at approximately $5 million, was seized during an offensive near Hama at the headquarters of the Assad regime's 25th Special Forces Division. The Podlet K1 radar is integral to Russia's advanced S-300PMU-2 and S-400 air defense networks, making its capture a potential game-changer for both military strategists and analysts. The Podlet K1's capture represents a major intelligence coup for Syrian rebels, though its direct operational use is unlikely due to the system's technical complexity. The system's primary value lies in its potential for detailed analysis, which could offer insights into Russia's radar technology, including detection capabilities, signal processing techniques, and countermeasure strategies. With this valuable data, adversaries could refine their electronic warfare tactics, develop countermeasures, and identify weaknesses in Russian air defense infrastructure. One of the system's most notable features is its ability to detect low-altitude cruise missiles, such as the Storm Shadow and R-360 Neptune. This capability underscores the strategic importance of the Podlet K1, particularly in its role within Russia's layered air defense network. The radar system was captured during a broader offensive led by Hayat Tahrir al-Sham, HTS, in Hama province, a campaign that followed the rebels' recapture of Aleppo, Syria's second-largest city. HTS's control of Aleppo, the first since 2016, was a significant blow to the Assad regime. Following the conquest of several military installations, including the 87th Brigade base and a tank school, the rebels advanced toward Hama. Although they briefly breached the city's defenses, pro-Assad forces, supported by Russian airstrikes and Iranian militias, counterattacked, pushing the rebels back. In the wake of the offensive, both sides suffered significant losses. Rebels captured 31 Russian-made tanks, including T-72 and T-90 models, 20 BMP armored personnel carriers, and 12 artillery pieces. Notably, they also seized several advanced air defense systems, including a Panzer S-1, a Strela 10, and an S-125. These assets have enabled rebels to launch more advanced drone and missile strikes against regime targets. Despite the acquisition of these sophisticated systems, including the Podlet K1 radar, the rebels' ability to effectively utilize them remains questionable due to technical challenges. For instance, the captured aircraft, such as 8 L-39 Albatros jets and 3 MiG-23 fighters, are hindered by maintenance requirements, a shortage of skilled pilots, and vulnerability to airstrikes. While ground tests were attempted, technical malfunctions and ongoing attacks on rebel-controlled bases have limited the operational potential of these assets. The Podlet K1 is a modular system designed for low-altitude target detection and is capable of tracking up to 200 targets simultaneously. Its radar range spans 10 to 300 kilometers, with the ability to detect targets at altitudes of up to 10 kilometers. Mounted on a CAM AZ 6358x8 chassis, the system includes three main components: an antenna post, a mobile command post, and a power generator. It utilizes a phased array S-band radar and identification friend or foe IFF technology, making it highly effective against both low-flying and high-speed aerial targets. Deployment and backup of the system can be completed in about 20 minutes, which makes it a highly mobile asset in the field. The capture of the Podlet K1 radar system raises significant concerns for Russia. Its intact condition could provide valuable intelligence for Western military powers or even Ukraine, which has been engaged in an ongoing conflict with Russia. There is speculation that the radar system could be transferred to Turkey, which already operates Russian S-400 systems and has strategic interest in such capabilities. Alternatively, Russia might take preemptive measures, such as conducting airstrikes to destroy the system before it can be fully analyzed. This mirrors past actions, such as the destruction of a Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik B UAV in Ukraine to prevent its capture. Whatever the outcome, the intact Podlet K1 radar is poised to play a crucial role in shaping future countermeasures and air defense tactics. The seizure of the Podlet K1 radar system by Syrian rebels marks a significant development in the ongoing Syrian conflict. Beyond its immediate military implications, the capture of this advanced Russian radar presents a potential windfall for adversaries seeking to undermine Russian air defense capabilities. As the system's technology is analyzed and exploited, it could lead to significant advances in counter-radar tactics, with far-reaching consequences for the balance of power in air defense systems globally.